Hey, what's up guys? I'm back here with another video. Today I'm here on the trail because everything is overgrown. It grew like 1.5 feet, 2 feet, and everything's just getting grown in really quick. So I brought my my weed whacker that I rebuilt last night, cleaned all the carb and cleaned everything up. Got some gas in my tactical backpack with my hedge trimmers and some of my branch cutters. And we got lots of food and water with me today, so we're gonna try to go through this entire trail and then all the way in through the original trail that's here. So let's get to work and start trimming all this overgrowth. All right, I just cut the whole front section. It's looking a lot better, nice and opened up so everyone doesn't get ticks on them. Or it just looks like that, and it's nice and groomed like that. So let's throw it on time lapse and let's go through all of this hillside, and then we'll continue on into the other trail. You do what you do. I'm just going to be moving around. Well, we're getting there, guys. This camera's all covered. Yeah, well, we passed the bridge and we're coming back up through, and I'm really widening it up. It smells like my weed whacker's trying to catch something on fire. But yeah, let's keep cutting away and we'll get back on the hillside. Oh geez, I thought somehow I caught the forest on fire. But if you see way over there, we're having a massive fire. Kind of scared me. I thought like a weed fell off my exhaust or something and landed in the dry weeds. We caught one of my flags. It's a huge fire they're having over there, holy. Well guys, I actually ran out of wire for my weed whacker, so I'm gonna have to continue this maybe tomorrow, I would say. But yeah, it's looking really nice. I got all these trails trimmed out. I would say I got maybe almost half of the course done. My guess is it's probably somewhere almost a kilometer of grass that I cut. But yeah, it's I widened it right up so a lot of you guys won't be getting any ticks on you. Not sure if my face is covered in grass or not, but my arms are. Take a look at my pants, just covered. I don't even think a tick realized I was coming through the bushes. They couldn't even smell me. But yeah, hard work pays off. I hope everyone comes out here and enjoy this little course that I've built. I need more riders to keep riding it, to keep it alive. So I hope you guys come out here, you know, race your buddies or something and have a good time. But yeah, I'll be back here to finish the rest in a little bit, maybe tomorrow. Alright guys, we're at my trail here, and I'm going to show you what I cut so far with my weed whacker. So let's just go through it and you'll see that everything is nice and perfectly groomed. Everything's widened right up. You don't have to worry about getting ticks on you or anything like that. Some of these rocky sections I'm going to move the rocks because a lot of people seem to not really like loose rocks and stuff like that. I always enjoy that kind of challenge, but for now I'm going to move them and let people, some young people, practice more. I'm not going to remove them all, but some of these here, it's not that bad though, even if you just choose the line that you, or just avoid them really. This is all the tight section, gets you to slow down. And then this is the new section where you go straight. Ooh, got a little loose there. See, I widened it right up. It was almost 2 feet tall. Everything's growing really fast. But like I said before, I'll always be out here to trim it and cut it all up. I went all the way in here, widened all this all the way up. Cut all this too. Probably gonna build a little bridge there, even though it's only small. I got my mirrors out. Let's see if we can fit through. I actually really like this little hillside trail. It's in the shade. It's a little tight in certain areas, but it's always good for a little challenge. Work on your balance control. And then come over to the bridge. Then you fly up this hill. Over here, a bunch of bumps. Just stand up and ride it out. I got a lot of weight on me today, a lot of stuff on me. Come in here. This is where, if you want to start racing your buddies, if someone takes the outside, you can take the inside and pass them. Then you hook a left. I will make a new section that heads back in the forest, but for now, just keep following the loop. Come across here. And loop back around. As you can see, it's nice and wide. I need a lot of people to be riding this so that it keeps it alive. So we get rid of all the weeds. Loop back around. Oh, and I was gonna mention to everybody, there's deer everywhere. This is the third deer I seen on my way in here, so if you guys are riding those dirt roads really fast, I'd be very cautious, because if a deer jumps out in front of you, you're not gonna feel too good. I've seen it happen to a rider a couple years ago, so you know, I ask everyone to be cautious and watch for your speeds if you're on this side of the trails, because there is a lot of those deer here. I'm gonna come up here. There's a lot of poison ivy down in here, but I also widened this right out. It was so grown in, and I cut all the grass here, a bunch of it here. We're gonna build a lip up here so we can get some air off of that one. And up and over here. Get into some slow technical bumps here. Oh, almost lost her. We're gonna make a step down here. You hit a little jump, you'll land on the downhill. And then I came through here also last night, widened it right up. Loop around. We're gonna build a nice jump here as well, but that's gonna launch over everything. Right now it's just technical and it has a little rock that you can jump off, but this section we haven't cut yet. It was gonna come out today, but I said fuck it, it's way too hot for me. So and here comes a nice part I really like. You hit this little lip, you just literally just ride the back wheel all the way up. But yeah, we still have to do all this side, which won't be too hard. I'm gonna come through here and widen all this up. Same with all this in here. This as well, which I thought I'd just seen some poison ivy. I'm gonna cut all the branches out of the way. Now that I got most of the layout done, I can start coming in and making it better and stuff like that, right? Build some little jumps. Come over here. All these bumps and then down a steep hill. And we're gonna make a sharp right. Head up this way. Right here, I'm gonna put like 3 log hops. So I'll put 2 logs together and then one on top, and then I'll make a couple log hops, and then people that don't like logs, they can have the option to go around. So that'll be nice. And then here is my step up part. You go down a really steep hill here. Gotta be careful of all the poison ivy. So gotta come through here, and then my little step up there. I'm just gonna go up this side for now. And then we come over here. We got this little berm on the edge of this hill here. And then we head into the original trails, but I gotta go through all those and clean them all up. They're you almost can't ride it, it's so grown in. But there is a couple sections that I never fixed on the original trails over there. I did go through most of it in the spring there when all the vegetation was down, but yeah, we still got to go in there and clean it all up. But yeah guys, this is really what I got laid out so far on the hill for most of the locals that live around here and myself. So most likely tomorrow, if it's nice and cool, I'm going to come back here and finish cutting all the overgrowth of the rest of this loop here. And then my buddy Kenny is going to come out here, and he's been building BMX jumps for years, so he's going to come out here and build us a couple jumps here for the dirt bikes, so that'll be nice. But yeah, like I said, I still have to add a new section, which I'm gonna make it a nice long section when we come up. We're gonna cross down. I think I'm gonna build a log bridge. I'm gonna go across, I'm gonna go up the hill and hook, and we're gonna drive straight on the hill, and then it's gonna go back down, and we're gonna loop back on the same side, and then we're gonna cross the bridge right by the other bridge that goes in, and we're gonna come back up, and I'll make a couple little squirrely lines here, and then you'll head back into the hillside just to make it even longer. But yeah, you guys should come out and rip her up, keep her alive for me. I'd really appreciate it. And don't worry if you know, if you make ruts or anything, because I'm always going to be out here fixing all that stuff. But I do ask, please don't ride it when it's wet, because when it's wet it really will get destroyed on like just too much, where I won't be able to fix it all. It'll just be too much work, right? So yeah guys, I'll see you on the next one. I just wanted to show you basically what I got done so far. So yeah.